Hi, this is Phil from Sound Assured. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to install a pop shield and how to use it when you're recording with a microphone. Alright, the first step for the pop shield is taking it out of the box. So here's the pop shield, and on one end you got the clamp with the screw, and it's lefty-loosey and righty-tighty. And then we got the gooseneck here, and you can see that it can bend in a whole bunch of different ways. And then on the other end, you got the actual pop shield. And one thing you want to notice about this pop shield is there's actually 2 layers of thin fabric. Now that's going to help dissipate the plosives when you guys are recording either singing or doing voiceover work. When you have the P sound, like in popcorn, the P's, it comes out of your mouth faster, and this fabric, once it hits it, it'll help disperse it and send it in a bunch of different directions rather than that P noise slamming into your diaphragm of your microphone and causing clipping. I'm going to show you 2 ways how to install it. The first way is using a boom stand with an arm coming out like this. So you see you got the boom arm right here, and then here's the microphone. Now untighten it and then just simply put the clamp onto it like that, and then just tighten it as hard as you can to the right. Now simply just move this over here. Well, we need to scoot this over a little bit. There you go. Sitting right in front, and you can usually do about 2 to 6 inches in front of the microphone. Just about right like that. And that is how to install it and how I set it up when you're using a boom stand. Now I'll also show you if you're just using a regular microphone stand. Now this isn't a regular microphone stand, but if it was, your microphone would be sitting at the top of the stand similar to this, and you would want to connect the clamp down here and maneuver the gooseneck so that the shield is over the microphone. So have to unscrew it a little bit. Make sure you screw it in nice and tight so that it doesn't move around. You don't want someone to be in the middle of singing and then have the pop shield break, and maybe that was the #1 hit right there. So you can see we got it tight. Now we can maneuver it easily right in front of the microphone. You guys can see that there, and that's about, let's see, 6 inches. So you can have it anywhere from 6 inches all the way into 2 inches into here. So just try it out and see what you prefer. I don't know. Some people like to sing loud or talk loud and they stand farther away from the microphone, and some people are more quiet and they need to be closer. It's just really your preference, but anywhere from here to back here. But you get the general gist of how to install and how to use a pop filter.